Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube video. I'm whispering. I don't know why, but be trying to make slime. This might not work. I don't know. So the ingredients you're gonna use: a tub, some gel, which I have right here, my gel, shampoo, an activator, and a mixing tool. So first, you're gonna put in shampoo. So get the shampoo. Pour some in here. And again, I'm trying this out too, so it might not work. And if it doesn't, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta go pour in some activator. 1 second, guys. So I put in some laundry detergent. I don't know if it matters what kind of activator you use. And I think I left my mixing tool. 1 second, guys. Sorry guys, I had to go get a stick. So once you have in the activator and the shampoo, you're gonna mix it. Oh god, 1 second. Mix it. I gotta put it. Mix it until it should come like this, look, see? And then add in hair gel. A few drops of it. It works. I might have to use it. I want hair gel work. So good. Okay guys, I got hair gel. I'm putting in hair gel. So once you have in the hair gel, you have to mix it even more. I might add in a little more of the ingredients, so maybe a little more. Not activator. We already did the activator part. I would add in a bit more shampoo. And then since we already have an activator, we don't put in more, we just mix it. I'm sorry if you guys don't hear what I'm saying, but you gotta mix it now. And you're gonna get more hair gel. Get more hair gel. Okay. So now you're gonna do this. And you're gonna mix it more. See guys, this is what it looks like. That's how hopefully this works, guys. I actually came up with this recipe myself. I'm sorry if it doesn't work, and I'm just gonna show you guys actually because I don't know how to make slime. Throw away your mixing tool. I threw away mine. I'll cover it up like this. It should look like a greenish color. And then you're gonna wanna put it in the freezer for a day. So I'm gonna have to end the video, part 1. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm checking. See you guys.